Hey there! Today we're going to talk about something called causal flaws, which can also be known as the oversimplification fallacy. This might sound fancy, but it's actually pretty simple and super important. Imagine you're in class, and your teacher says that the reason the class did poorly on a test is because everyone didn't study enough. That might be one reason, but is it the only reason? What if the test was super hard? Or maybe some of us were feeling sick that day? When someone, like our teacher in this example, doesn't think about all the possible reasons for something happening, that's a causal flaw. They're oversimplifying the situation. It's like saying you got wet just because you didn't carry an umbrella, but maybe it's also because there was no roof on your bus stop. So why does this matter? Well, understanding all the reasons behind something helps us solve problems better and make fair decisions. It stops us from jumping to conclusions too quickly. Remember, the world is full of complicated stuff, and there are usually many reasons why things happen, not just one. So the next time you hear someone explain a situation with just one reason, think about what else might be going on. See you next time for more exciting discoveries. Keep questioning and stay curious.